Hey guys, it's Carl. So I went ahead and I ordered up a new barrel for the AR-15. Got it from Anderson. Figured it's an Anderson rifle. Go ahead and stick to some Anderson parts. But it's an 18-inch stainless steel barrel over the 16-inch barrel that came with it. So ordered it up on Thursday. Orders processed Friday. Got it Monday, even though it was supposed to be delivered on Tuesday, so day early. I'm not mad. Share with you guys the unboxing of it. And there's that, so the build will follow. Oh, there's the box. Everything that is in it. Got our invoice. Here's our barrel. And we got our new mid-length gas tube. Put that off to the side. And here is the new barrel. Let's see if I can get this out. Show you guys. This little finger trap thing off of there. And there she is. 18-inch stainless steel. So, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing on there, and we'll be doing some test firing tomorrow with this thing. So, stay tuned, and please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, share it out, and let's have some fun. Alright guys, see ya.